watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay, a lot going on, so pay attention. We're doing a test. We're going to go outside. It's cold. It's in the 30s. We're going to grill the steak, show you how I grill my steak normally. We usually cook it rare. So if you don't like rare, you probably don't want to watch this video. And then we're going to do another steak indoors. We're going to sous vide it. We got everything for it. Right now we're just going to, here's the wand. Right now we're just going to season it. And then tonight we'll drop it in the water bath. Okay? The fun part is my new toy. This literally just screws on to the top of the gas tank, which we got here, and then we're going to blowtorch a sear to it, okay? That's for the sous vide one. This is like called now like a sous vide gun, but the true sous vide gun online is like $100. This was only 22. So I grabbed it. I'll let you know how it is. If it's good, we'll put a link down below so you can get it. If it's trash, I won't. Alright? Let's get started. First we're going to season the meat and let it sit with seasoning all day. Tonight we'll drop it in the sous vide bath. Okay guys, this literally is my #1 seasoning for steak. This rub is amazing. If you wanted to feel like it got cooked at a steakhouse, this seasoning right here. I promise. Let's go ahead and season heavily. I'm going to have to buy another bottle. This is running out. We only have a third of a bottle left. Alright guys, we're going to put it in the bath. Put it in a big thing of water. We're going to weigh it down in a minute. Alright, so we got my sous vide wand, the jewel in here. We got the steak in plastic in here. We're going to take a pot lid and weigh this down. So could you, Tammy, grab me a pot lid or something? Or something heavy. Even a saucepan pot or something. Let's see if that'll hold it down. Yeah. See if that'll hold it down. Hold on. Yep. You just weigh that down. That's going to cook. So we set the temperature to 120 because that is the rare that I like. We normally grill to 120. So this is going to sit in this water bath. That's going to make it 120. It's going to go for 18 hours. And then we'll see in 18 hours to grill the other one. Alright guys, we're going to take the other steak out right now to grill. It's 20 degrees outside, so took us a few minutes to preheat the grill. But now we're ready. We're just going to grill that on each side. Nice high flame. Give it a few minutes on one side. Flip it to the other. Stop it at 120. This steak looks good already, but we haven't even given it a sear yet, so we're going to be grabbing our gun in a minute. You start seeing a crust forming. This is the sous vide one, 18 hours, and then we blue torch the outside to give it an outer crust. My mouth's watering right now. Looks absolutely perfect. So we'll try that in a second. Okay, go ahead and slice through the middle of this bad boy. This one, the outside, got more done. giving you my observation. This looks better off the gas grill. It's got a better sear than the sous vide gun. It smells better. This one though was easier to cut, so maybe more tender because we did sous vide it. But I kind of like, I kind of like the caramelization on this one. Let's try this one first, sous vide. Okay, that's really good. Not any more tender by sous videing it, but the flavor is all there. It's really good. Let's try this. Not only did the fat caramelize, the seasoning blowing up, and the little bit of fat that caramelized is very sweet. Way better than the sous vide. Definitely the gas grill. That took what? 2 minutes? 4 minutes? How long?
15 minutes max.
Alright. I'm getting a little exaggerative. 15 minutes, 18 hours. Way worth it. Not worth it. I can't recommend the sous vide gun because we had trouble with the lighter. Kept doing it, it wouldn't light, it wouldn't light, it wouldn't light. Took us like 20 times. I'm not gonna recommend that version. So anyway, gas grill's way to go. Outdoor is the winner. Indoor I do a cast iron grill or a cast iron pan with butter, garlic, sage, and all that stuff. Alright? So the winner is the gas grill outdoors. You guys, but if you're going to do it indoors because it's 20 degrees outside like it is now, once again, cast iron all the way. Alright, I love you guys. We'll see you on the next video with another experiment.